Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in this Infiniti key fob. You're going to need a flat tip screwdriver, smaller the better, and then one of the replacement batteries. This takes either a 2032 or a 2025, and you can get both of these off Amazon. Check the link below in the description, that will take you straight there. So you want to push this down here and pull out your mechanical key. Now this part, you want to take your screwdriver and just wedge it in right here. And work these two halves apart. You can see it's not easy to do. Alright, so here's where you check for your replacement battery. If it has the intelligent access, it will take the 2032, and if it doesn't, it'll take the 2025. So go ahead and put your new battery positive side facing downward, and then you want to clip this back together. Just give it a good squeeze, and put your key back in, and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.